Hello, how are you guys doing? I'm going to make a tea which is excellent for bloating, for a late night meal, and you're going to sleep at night. So you can just have this and sleep peacefully. Just follow along for the recipe. In a pan, add 1.5 cup water. To it add fennel, saunf, coriander seeds, dhania, carom seeds, ajwain, cumin, zeera. All this will help you in digestion. They have anti-inflammatory effects and will help you sleep as well. Give a good boil for 3 to 5 minutes and it will be ready. Best for bloating and digestion. Try it.